take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Allow your body to relax. Allow your mind to soften. There's nothing to fix in this moment. Nothing to force. Just you, breathing, being, healing. Let the tension melt from your shoulders. Let your jaw unclench. Let go of the thoughts spinning in your head, the what-ifs, the why-nots, the stories of not being enough. They don't belong here. They never did. You've experienced rejection. It stung. It stayed. But it doesn't get to stay forever. This moment is about letting it go. You are not defined by the opportunities that passed. You are not shaped by someone else's inability to see your value. You are worthy, whole, and still becoming. Let these words settle into your mind like seeds, soft but powerful. I am not my rejection. I release the need for outside approval. I know my worth. I believe in my future. Feel those affirmations reach beneath the surface. Feel them gently rewrite the inner story, the quiet one that says you're not good enough, not ready, not seen. That story ends here. What's true is this: you are capable. You are growing. You are still on the path meant for you. Let your heart remember a time when you felt proud of yourself. Even if no one else noticed, you knew how far you had come. That feeling of inner validation is yours to return to. You don't need permission to feel proud. You don't need a title or an award to feel whole. Repeat quietly in your mind: I'm safe to begin again. I am proud of who I am becoming. I deserve peace and purpose. Every breath you take now is clearing space. Space for clarity. Space for self-trust. Space for joy to return. Even when the world says, not this time, your spirit whispers, keep going. Let that whisper grow. Let it rise. Let it carry you forward, not bitter, but brighter. Not wounded, but wiser. Take one last deep breath in. And as you exhale, release what you no longer need. You are free to move forward. Free to believe in yourself again. Free to feel your worth fully, deeply, unshakably. You are not your past. You are your potential. And it's waiting for you to step into it.